So hey guys, welcome back once again to my channel. It's me Suman, and we are for completing Google Cloud Ready Facilitator Program 2022 now, and this is Quest 3 Networking in Google Cloud, and we have just completed the lab 1 of Quest 3. So let's start multiple VPC network lab 2. So click on this start lab button. Okay, now let's open our clouds cloud cell now. So log in it quickly. Okay, now accept it. Sometimes this uh, welcome window sometimes asks for accept, sometimes no, sometimes I don't know why. And I think we need to accept the country. So accept it. Okay, so now you are ready. So let's read inside this lab set. So now scroll down. Before starting a lab, you need a Chrome browser. Yeah, that's good. And always use incognito window. Good. Now we scroll down. This is the credential to sign in. So let's activate the cloud cell. Minimize this navigation menu and just click on the top right this small arrow, that is the terminal logo. I mean cloud cell, that is terminal. Yes, in this cloud cell terminal. Okay, let's wait, this will take a little bit time. Okay, so once it is ready you need to run some code, that is the cloud authorized list. So run it, and one more, that is the cloud configured project list. Click on the authorize button. Don't worry. Okay, so this is done. Now scroll down. Now create a custom rule VPC network with the firewall rule. Okay, so for this we have to go inside this firewall network. So search it here. What you can also go through this navigation menu, but better to go this way. That is quick way. So see this. This is just the internet problem, and maybe the computer. So this is the window. We should go inside the VPC network, and we are under the VPC network. Okay, so once we are inside the PPC network, notice the default networks. Yeah, where is my network? These are the defaults one, no? Okay, these are the defaults one, my network. And now click on create PPC network. Now you have to click on this create PPC network tab just at the top. So click that button. Okay, so for the name, you need to type the management. So copy that management name and type it here for subnet. And PPC network, no need for subnet. You have to click for the custom. So click this custom and set the following. Okay, so copy this name. This is the custom one, no? So this is the name and region US Central one. Region US Central one. So select US Central one and IP range is this one. So copy it correctly and paste inside this IP range and click on done. So click on done. This is done. Now click equivalent command line. So scroll down and click this equivalent command line. Okay. Everything is done correctly. Now close it. You need to click on create. So let's click on create button. Let me show you what I've done. I've gone for this custom. We have added a subnet, that is this one. The name is this, region is this one. Here is the IP range, and leave everything as it is default. And that's where we have added this custom subnet. And this was the name of our VPC network. So nothing I've changed, just added someone. Okay, now we have to click on this create button. So click this create button. This will take a little bit time, so let's wait. Check the progress and verify that perform the task successfully. So let's wait. Creating network management. So let's give some little bit time. Okay, so this is done. We have got the notification. That is green means everything is ready now. So let's check our progress. Good. Now let's create a private network. So how to create it? Run the following command. We have commands. So paste it one by one. Okay. It is stuck here no little bit. Okay, good. This is done. Now run this code, second line of code. Okay, this is also stuck on this. Good. It is done. So we have run this first and second one. Now let's go with this third one. Paste it here. And this is taking a little bit time, so let's wait. Okay, how many tasks we have to do? We have to do lots of tasks. Okay, so this is done. Now let's check our progress. Good. Everything is nice. Now let's run this code. The cloud compute network list. Okay, this will give the list. Run the following command to list the available VPC subnet. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah, same way I've got. So scroll down. Cloud shall navigate to VPC network. Yeah, we are inside this network now. I will see the network subnet listed in the cloud cell. Yeah, it is already listed there. Now let's create a firewall rule for the management. Create a firewall rule for allow some management. So inside the VPC network, click the firewall rule. So inside this VPC network, click this firewall tab and let it load. Okay, so this firewall tab is that window is loaded. So click on this create firewall rule. So click this create firewall rule button. Now we have to give some information is available in this table. So let's copy it one by one. Copy and paste it. Network is management. Default network now. Select the management one and target all instance in the network. So target all instance in the network and source filter IPv4 range. Yeah, good. And copy and paste this range. Now to select, check the TCP button. So scroll down here the TCP button. So select it and type 22. Now to type 22. Type comma and this one. Check other protocol and type ICMP. So copy this also. Check this other protocol and that's it. So we have filled this particular table according to the this way. No, so this is good. Next we have dash 0. Yeah, we have dash 0 in this source range. Good. Equivalent command line. No need to click on this equivalent command line. Just click on this create button. Okay, let's wait a little bit here. Okay, so this is ready. Let's check our progress. Nice. Now let's create firewall for the private net. We are doing this way in through the cloud cell. So copy this whole code and just paste it here. Press enter key. Okay, this will take a few seconds. Don't worry. And once it is done, we'll check our progress. Yeah, this is done. Let's check our progress. Good. Now run the following command to list the available firewall rule. Just run it. No need to run, but even you can take some risks. We have completed up to here. If you miss any, maybe we have to do it from the beginning. So why to do such a risky work now? Okay, so this is done. We have got the same similar output now. Now cloud cinnamon VPC variable that is used in listed. Yeah, good, nice. Now let's create two VM instance. This one in management and this one in the private net. Okay, good. So how to do this? Create a management VM instance cloud cell. VM instance. We have to go for the compute engine. So copy this text and paste it here. Open the first one link and let's wait. Okay, close this tutorial. Bring it down. Hide information panel. Yeah, now it's look clean. And yeah, there are some two same that is it for you. Now let's create. Click on the create instance. Click on this create instance, and let's wait. Now we have to fill in the blank using this information. Okay, what's going on? Click on the create instance. I just clicked on the create. Okay, click on this cancel button. Click on this create instance. Maybe it was some types of glitch, you know. Okay, now it is good. So copy this name. Sorry, copy it and paste it here. Management auspicious and region is US Central 1, US Central 1 selected, US Central 1F, it is good. And series is N1, so select the series N1, N1 series, and machine type F1 micro. Scroll down, change the machine type to F1 micro, and under the networking, scroll down a little bit more and click this tab link. Under this networking, click this networking tag, and under the network, where is the network? So inside the network interface, I think now. Click networking for a networking interface. So scroll down, see this networking interface. So click and expand it onto the network. We have to select management. So remove the default, select management, and subnet is management US. Yeah, it is already selected. So nice. Now click on done button. Scroll down, click on done, and okay. So this is done. Now click equivalent, click close, click create. So everything is good. We have just changed inside this uh, network interface now, and we have changed the F1 micro series and everything was good. So scroll down and now click on the security button. Okay, so this will take a little bit time, so let's wait. Okay, so this is ready. Now let's check our progress. Good. Now let's create a private something US VM instance. So you'll do using this Google, I mean, Cloud Cell code. Copy this code one. Copy this code and paste it here. Press enter key and let's wait. Okay, only two tasks are left. Okay, so this is done. Now let's check our progress. Good. Now let's list some. Okay, it is running at straight. All are running now. Good. Now scroll down. Let's see if it is listed here. So let's refresh it here. Yeah, it is down here. So good. Now we have to explore connectivity between the VM instance. So for this, go to the compute engine. We are inside the compute engine. VM instance. Note the external IP address. Okay. Note the external IP address of mynet, my mynet EU VM. So mynet EU VM, no? EU VM. We have to save the external IP address somewhere. So and another one management US VM. So this is the management US VM. Copy it and paste it here. And private net USBS. Private net USBS. So copy this external IP address and paste it here. Okay, so we have noted all the external IP address of these three virtual machine. Now for the mainnet USBM, mainnet USBM, click SSH to launch the terminal to connect. Okay, so this one we have not noted the external IP address of this one. So we have to click this SSH button. Let's wait. Okay, it is now connected. Now let's read the instruction. Press the connectivity. Replace external IP address. So external IP address of which one? Mainnet USBS. Mainnet US. Okay, so this one. No? So this is the external IP address and delete it. Paste it here. Press enter. Yeah, this should work. Yeah, it is working. Test the connectivity. So we have tested the one first one, no, and remaining just leave this one. No need to keep checking, no. So scroll down. Now ping the internal IP address. So how to ping the compute engine? Note the internal IP address of mainnet VM. Return to SSH window. Is it necessary? I think. Okay, so maybe it is necessary. So let's do it. Ping ping dash colon c and 3 space and let's ping one by one. Okay, so copy up to here, paste it here, space, and the second one, paste it here, and delete it. And let's ping the third one. Okay, in the same way, we'll ping the internal IP address also. So let's copy one by one, paste it here, press enter. Ping dash c. Okay, now let's ping another one. So delete up to here and copy this one, paste it here, press enter. And the last one, paste it here, press enter. Okay, so ping is done. And there was no any error, so everything is good. So now next, let's work for the next step. Create a Vim instance with multiple network interface. So how to create it? Compute engine Vim instance. Click on create instance. Okay, so we are inside this compute engine interface. So let's click on this create instance and fill in the blanks with this name. Copy this name, paste it here, and region US Central 1F, and one series. Okay, so everything is good. And N1 standard 4, so machine type N1 standard 4. That's good. Under networking, so scroll down and expand this networking tab. Under the networking, so click this networking tab. Under this networking interface, we have to change it. Private net, so expand it, remove the default, select the private net and click the down button, scroll down, click on done. So this is good. Click add network interface, click this add network interface and select management and click done, scroll down, click done. So two interfaces are added. Now click add network interface, we have to select the remaining one, my network, and scroll down, click done. So it is done now. Now scroll down, click on this create button. Okay, so this will take a little bit time, so let's wait. Once it is ready, we can check our progress, and that's way we'll complete this lab. So let's wait. Okay, so this is done. Now let's see our progress and check progress. Okay, so this is done. This was super simple now. So that's it for this lab. We have completed it successfully. So let's give 5 star and log out this. So thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.